Rua do Gamboa. So we're gonna be walking straight up this way, and we kind of have this beautiful little thing right here. So we're gonna be walking straight through that. Let's get out of the way, and I'll give you a little context in a minute as well. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here's Rua do Gamboa. So we're gonna walk straight down that way. Try to get out of the way a little bit. Shop collection. So yeah, this is kind of an interesting little street, and there's a lady that's yelling really loudly over there at somebody. Okay, sorry for whoever that is, but we're gonna keep going down this way. Yeah, this kind of reminds me a little bit of Europe, so maybe Portugal brought in a little taste of Europe through this little thing. What's the idea? Yeah, it looks pretty cool. And you can see some apartment is right there too, so somebody lives there. Let's get out of the way again. There's a woman really mad at her husband, yelling and yelling at him. Okay, so we're gonna just walk up the street. Okay, let's just see here. It's got little travessa. These little things are kind of interesting as well. We're going to be keeping on this one, and then we have another little stretch like that as well. So we're going to go down. We're just going to check out this little bit, this little stuff right here. This little Travessa de Losa. Oh, that's cool little apartments. And I think that might be. Oh, if you go around a little circle, let's just kind of walk down a little bit further. Oh, okay, little outdoor plaza right here. Wow, this could look really nice. Looks like they're cleaning it up and making something cool. Wow. Looks like they just cut down some of these things. Pretty interesting. Rooftop up there. Okay, got another business there. Apartments all the way up. Looks cool. Okay, so we're gonna head back down to the main street, which is Rua do Gamboa, and then we're also gonna just kind of see what's in these little alleys. I think that's into an apartment building there. That's kind of cool. He has his own garage. It's unusual. So he kind of made it into like a place for the car, and then he put his TV there, and I guess it's a good way to use some of the space here. So we're gonna go over on this side too, and it looks like we have more cool stuff. And I think that there goes down to another street right there. So that's like apartment with a little gap in it right there. But I want to focus on Rua do Gamboa. And Rua do Gamboa has that interesting, has that thing anyways, this little European-like thing. Oh, look at that, somebody must have that little rooftop too. It's cool. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going on up. Rua do Gamboa. A little bit of a quiet street. Oh, dang. Maybe that was fine, but I looked at my video and it had like all these different colors in it. Like something was a bit wrong. So I turned it off and turned it back on, and hopefully that fixes it. So that's the street that we're just on. Rua do Gamboa. There's a little supermarket right there. It's like a pretty big supermarket actually. Okay. Some people ask me to film inside the supermarkets, but the reason that I don't is because they're private property. I'm not allowed to take a camera in there and film. The lighting is just about right now. That's pretty cool. Nice image. So we're gonna keep on going up. Oh, this is DC Cafe. This is a Filipino adobo, but you have to go around down the other side. But it has a really nice view, but they don't allow people to sit in this one. You have to go downstairs now, which is too bad because it's a pretty good restaurant. There's some nice stuff on the walls too. Kind of cool, huh? So that one, like a little mannequin. It's kind of interesting. We're gonna keep on going up this street. But there's a lot of interesting stuff. There's like a little abandoned corner right there, and then the DC Cafe is right there, where that's a little bit illuminated from light a little bit. So you have to go down, and I guess that's called the Becco Gamboa. See what that is. Avon shop. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Actually, I was kind of hoping to capture like that with somebody coming in, and then you have like that mannequin and having somebody walking by it, right? But I don't think I can get that shot unless I waited there a long time, which I won't do. But that would have been a pretty interesting thumbnail, I think. But we're gonna walk straight up this way. It's another hair salon. So yeah, this is another little patio there. Tons of them in Macau. They're beautiful. So now we can overlook all this kind of stuff and see up above, right? And down below. Just kind of take a look at this little Becco real quick. Yeah, that's cool. Lighting is amazing right now. Kind of interesting. You can see somebody has a really beautiful balcony right there. Okay, so we're gonna head back down. We're back on our street again. Let's go up a little bit further. And there's another Filipino barbecue restaurant. Kind of cool too. Calzada, so this is a different street, Calzada do Cambado, and it goes up to the police station up there. Nice. Okay, so that was our street right there. This is a cross street. This has a lot of Filipino shops up here. Rua da Alfandega. And that's our focus street right there. It's nice. Okay, so we're gonna end it. We're gonna end it right there. Pretty cool. See if we can get back a little bit. So we're just gonna try to capture it on this side because I think that actually cool right there. See if we can kind of want that car to go, so we can go down like that. Now we can capture it from that spot right there. So that's our street that we focus on, right? Straight down that way. Nice looking street.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.